team members are required to work together on different computing platform. And in this video series, I would like to show you how you're going to use PyCharm to do a scenario that you're developing a Python package. Then you're going to source distribute that onto another computing platform, say it's a Raspberry Pi. Most importantly is how you're going to share the code onto a Git repository remotely. Namely, it's called Github. And the video series is going to be breaking into 5 different videos. So the first video, I'm going to show you how you can to have a Python package. Then you can source distribute it and install that onto a Raspberry Pi. The second video is going to be concentrate on how to share the code onto remote Git repository using GitHub PyCharm. The third one is how we're going to do parallel development using Git branch and merge the branch together. So the fourth video is going to be concentrate how we're going to different type of Git branch to do the code development. The last video is if we have additional Python package dependency or data dependency, how we're going to do source distribution to distribute that from PyCharm onto a Raspberry Pi. So the particular example we are using is on this web page. You can see this is basically the web page, and essence of this is the create animal package, and then it has 2 submodules. One is called mammals, another one is called birds, and those you have mammals and birds classes respectively. And in there it has members. Basically, I will illustrate in this chart. So you can see I'm going to extend this package a little bit. So this is basically showing in this right frame. This is what's describing in the web page. You have animal package, mammals module, and birds module. Mammals class and birds class. I'm going to separate the difference between modules and class by distinguish the first letter. Mammal M is lowercase for the module. Capital case M is in the classes. So, and in the mammal class, you add the 3 elements, and in array, and for the birds, you have these 3 elements, and I create this 2 sub packages and the biology package. The plants package is going to include a flower module with flower classes. They are 3 members being added to the flower class. So this is basically what we're going to do for this particular video series.